Hello, my name is Jamie Height, founder and CEO of Diagnosing Networks, coming to you from my technically advanced studio here on my back porch in Durham, North Carolina. And having propped my iPhone carefully up against a rock, I'm going to tell you a little bit about why Diagnosing Networks would be a great addition to TSF's roster for this upcoming session. Our company's core focus is on how people interact. It's a key driver in the success or failure of a team, and that team can be a sales group, it can be a corporate board, it can be a church committee, it could be a group of soldiers in the U.S. Army. In all these cases, you have multiple people interacting, and understanding the effects of those interactions, be they positive or negative, is a crucial driver to the success. And what we want to be able to do is quantify those and therefore diagnose the health, so to speak, of the system in question. We would do this through our unique psychological and social metrics that can provide insight into how a group works. Identifying the topography of a group, as is the focus of a lot of our competitors, isn't enough. It's easy to map out when a person talks to another person. What is harder and what is more important to do is to quote-unquote quantify that interaction and understand how that quantity ultimately affects the ability of the group to achieve success. So what we are going to do is build a cloud-based system that not only quantifies the team in question, the group in question, but can also, through simple color codes, through engaging graphics, help managers recognize where their groups are sick. That's why we use the term diagnosing. This isn't a map. This is something that is going to understand the organic functions of a team. How do people actually operate? The goal is, if we can find those spots within the network that are causing problems, you can take steps to improve them. And I'll have uploaded a document that gives you some examples of how we would do this based on our success in analog. So I hope this brief video has given you just a little bit of insight into who I am. We have a very strong team, myself and our chief software architect. We met in our doctoral programs. We've worked together before, and we think we would bring, again, a dynamic addition to TSF's roster for this upcoming session. So I thank you for your consideration, and I look forward to the possibility of working with you.